Welcome to Speak Better English. Imagine someone suddenly speaks English.
Don't worry, learn simple English for real life. Let's start.
Have you ever taken a taxi in a new city?
Don't worry, today we'll learn simple taxi English.
Let's start with the most basic question. How do you ask for a taxi?
You can say, could you call a taxi for me?
Could you call a taxi for me, please? That's useful at a hotel. What if you're standing outside and want to stop a taxi?
You can raise your hand and say, taxi please.
And then tell the driver where you want to go. What's the first thing you should tell the driver?
Your destination. For example, I'd like to go to the airport, please.
Simple and clear. Can we say, take me to the airport?
Yes, but I'd like to go to the airport, please sounds a little more polite.
Good to know. What if the driver doesn't know the exact location?
You can give the address. The address is 25 Main Street.
Or show it on your phone.
Exactly.
What's a useful phrase when you're using a map?
Say, it's right here on the map.
And if you have a saved location?
This is the location.
What if you want to know how long the trip will take?
Ask, how long will
Will it take?
And the driver might say, about 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Let's talk about traffic.
What can a driver say?
The traffic is heavy today.
It means many vehicles and roads moving slowly.
What does fastest route mean?
It means the quickest way to reach your destination.
Can we ask the driver directly?
Sure, what's the fastest route to the airport?
What if you don't want to use the highway?
You can say, could we avoid the highway, please?
Why might someone ask that?
Maybe there's traffic, tolls, or they simply
What if you want the driver to stop somewhere first?
say, could you stop here for a moment, please?
That's perfect for a quick stop. How do you tell the driver where to turn?
Use simple directions. Turn left here, turn right at the lights.
Or go straight. Very easy phrases. What if you want the driver to stop?
Say, could you drop me off in front of the hotel, please?
Drop me off means let me out at a place. What if you're not sure you're at the right place?
Ask.
Are we there yet? That's simple.
Or, is this the right address?
Let's practice. Imagine you're getting into a taxi.
I'll be the driver. Where would you like to go?
Pause and answer aloud. I'd like to go to. Now let's talk about the price. How can you ask?
Say, how much will it cost?
Can we ask before starting the trip? Absolutely.
How much will the trip cost?
That's another useful word for the price of a taxi ride.
Fare. How much is the fare?
So fare means the price of the journey. What if the driver says the fare depends on the meter?
They might say, the fare is based
On the meter.
And you can ask, is the meter running?
What if you want to pay by card?
Ask, can I pay by card?
And if you want to pay cash?
Just say, I'll pay in cash.
What if you don't have exact change?
Ask, do you have change for $50?
That's useful.
Yes, change means the money you get back after paying.
What if you want a receipt?
Say, could I have a receipt, please?
Especially useful for business travel.
Exactly. You may need it for your expenses.
Let's say the driver takes the wrong road. What can you say?
Stay polite. Excuse me, I think we're going the wrong way.
Then what?
Could you check the address, please?
What if you want to correct the driver?
Say, I think you need to turn left at the next corner.
Not, you are wrong.
Right, a polite correction sounds much better.
What if you want to talk to the driver during the trip?
You can ask simple questions like, is this your usual route?
Or,
How long have you been driving a taxi?
what if you're visiting a new city?
Ask, what's a good place to visit around here?
That's a great question for a local driver.
They may know some interesting places.
How can you ask about a good restaurant?
Say, could you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
And if you want local food?
Where can I find good local food?
What if you have several bags?
You can ask, could you help me with my luggage, please?
And if there's a large suitcase?
Could you put this in the trunk, please?
What does trunk mean?
In American English, the trunk is the storage area at the back of a car.
And British English?
They usually say boot, boot.
What if you need to change the destination?
Say, could you take me to another address instead?
Address instead, and then give the new address.
Exactly, here's the new address.
What if you want to stop at an ATM?
You can ask, could you stop at an ATM, please? And explain why. I need to get some cash.
What if you need to go somewhere quickly?
You can say, I'm running late. Could you take the quickest route?
Running late means you're almost late.
Exactly.
Your turn. The driver asks, where would you like to go?
Pause the video and answer with a real destination.
Start with, I'd like to go to...
Speak aloud before continuing.
Let's practice a complete taxi conversation.
I'll be the driver.
I'll be the passenger.
Good morning. Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go to the airport, please.
Sure. Which terminal are you going to?
Terminal 2, please.
Do you have a preferred route?
Please take the fastest route. What if the driver asks, luggage?
You can say, yes, I have 2 suitcases and a backpack.
That's clear and natural.
Then the driver can help you load everything. How long is your flight?
It's a 3-hour flight.
Great. We should get you there on time.
Thank you. I appreciate it. What does I appreciate it mean?
It means, thank you, I'm grateful for your help.
So it's a nice way to show appreciation.
Exactly.
Now imagine there's traffic.
The traffic pretty heavy, we may be a little late.
What can the passenger say?
That's okay, just take the safest route.
What if you want to ask how much longer?
Say, how much longer will it take?
And the driver can answer?
About 10 more minutes.
What if you want to stop near the entrance?
Say, could you drop me off near the main entrance, please?
That's very useful at airports, hotels, and shopping centers. Now you're arriving. What can the driver say?
We're here.
And the passenger?
Great, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. How can you ask for the final fare?
You can ask, how much is the fare?
And the driver says it's $30.
Then you can pay and say thank you.
What if you want to leave a tip?
After paying, you can say,
Keep the change. What does that
it
mean?
means the driver can keep the money left over as a tip.
What if you don't need a tip?
Simply pay the exact amount and say,
Thank you, have a great day.
that's friendly and polite. Exactly.
Useful taxi phrases.
I'd like to go to how long will it take? How much is the fare? Could you drop me off here? Can I pay by card? Could I have a receipt, please?
Final speaking challenge.
Imagine you're in a taxi.
Where would you like to go?
How would you like to pay?
Do you need a receipt?
Pause and answer aloud.
Remember, you don't need difficult English to take a taxi.
Use short sentences, speak clearly.
And don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Practice these phrases before your next trip. Then you'll feel much.
Great job! Keep practicing every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, turn on the notification bell. Bye!
Bye, everyone. Have a safe trip.
Imagine you're in a new city. Need a taxi? But the driver speaks English.
Don't worry. Learn easy taxi English and speak with confidence.
Let's start.